Hi adventurers, in today's video I'm going to show you around the Compass by Margaritaville in Pigeon Forge and tell you all the reasons why it may be my new favorite hotel in the Smokies. The Compass is located on Music Mountain Drive right off of Teaster Lane. It has 126 rooms, 36 suites, and tons of amenities. When you first walk in, you are greeted by a tropical scent. If you've ever been to the Margaritaville in Gatlinburg, you know what I mean. The entire hotel has a coastal vibe, and you would believe you're at the beach as long as you don't look out the windows to see the beautiful views of the Smoky Mountains. Across from the registration desk is a gift shop so you can commemorate your stay, or just stop in and pick up some drinks and snacks. Just past the desk is the welcome cabana, where you will find flavored water and snacks all day long. In the middle of the lobby is a giant directional marker because there is so much to see and do here. Straight ahead is the 5 o'clock somewhere bar and grill, where you can get appetizers, sandwiches, salads, entrees like coconut shrimp, and of course margaritas. They also have live music on the weekends. If that doesn't grab you, you can walk out the front door to Gorilla Tacos, which we've done a video about and highly recommend. If you continue to your right at the signpost, you will find yourself at the highlight of the resort. The pool area is massive. There is a patio bar and seating, a lawn area with oversized yard games, a couple of fire pits, and of course, the pool area. There's a zero-entry pool with a slide and a splash pad area for the littles. They have a tanning deck and infinity pool that overlooks the large pool. There's a hot tub, of course, and they even have their own lazy river. This area was so beautiful it convinced a committed non-swimmer like me to purchase a suit for a return trip. But you don't have to go outside to have fun here. In one corner of the lobby is a game area with foosball and board games. There is an exercise room if that's your idea of fun, and that's Jamie's idea of fun. And best of all, there is an indoor pool that is almost as impressive as the outdoor one. Zero-entry splash pad and slide included. And if your idea of fun is just relaxing on vacation, you can do that too. There are so many great places to sit and chill, indoors and out. I recommend the front porch because it has a beautiful view of the mountains. And I nearly forgot, they have bikes to borrow if you want to go take a spin. Hi, I'm Karen. Behind the camera is not Jamie, because Jamie is in Pennsylvania training for a new job. So behind the scenes is our behind the scenes guy, our tech guru, our son, John. So without further ado, let me show you our room at the Compass at Margaritaville in Pigeon Forge. All right, so we have a double queen room. When you first come in, you're greeted with this very beautiful tropical picture. You turn to your right. We have what I like to call the snack station with a Keurig. Under here is regular old fridge. And then to your left is the bathroom. So out of all the Margaritavilles down here, this one seems comparable to the Margaritaville in Gatlinburg because look at this. This is beautiful. I can't wait to shower in it. And the shower head is way above a 6-foot head. So, you know, if you're on the tall side, this is the shower for you. Here's something else I found snooping. The safe is in the bathroom. Pointing that out because I wouldn't have looked for it there. We have all kinds of hand wash and moisturizer from the St. Somewhere Spa. A lit mirror. That's kind of nice. And then hiding behind the door, as we do-si-do in here, is the throne. And under here is toilet paper and a hairdryer. I really like where they've got like decor in the bathroom. Most of them don't bother to put like vases and stuff. All right, heading into the main room, there's a full-length mirror. And there's this beautiful room. It's all white wood and turquoise and dark wood. It's very beachy. So there's a nice armchair and an end table there. 2 queen beds as expected. The alarm clock is a wireless charger and a Bluetooth speaker, so that's nice. The lamp also has a couple of USB ports and some regular electrical plugs. Let's see, there's a closet with plenty of room and a light. And then we'll go over to the TV, probably, good sized TV. Lots of drawers for your stuff. And then a table for 2, which I really like. I hate going into a hotel room that doesn't have a table or a desk or something to eat at. And, okay, you weren't kidding about the curtain.
I warned you it was heavy.
We have a beautiful balcony. And 2 very teal Adirondack chairs to enjoy this view in. Lots of trees. There's probably better views at this hotel, but this one's not bad.
No, it's really not.
And that's everything. On each floor is a laundry and a microwave. Unfortunately, there's not a microwave in each room. That's about the only negative I will ever say about this place. After a comfortable sleep and an amazing shower, you might be a little bit hungry, so scoot on down to the sunrise breakfast. In addition to the normal pastries, they offer omelets, frittatas, sausage, bacon, fruit, cereal, a pancake topping bar, and coffee. And the location can't be beat. Within 1 mile, you can be at the Island, the Mountain Mile, Pigeon Forge Snow, and the Lost Bear Mine, Coaster, and Mini Golf. All of these reasons is why Compass by Margaritaville is my new favorite hotel in the Smokies, and I really think you should check it out too. I'm pretty sure you'll love it. So, like this video if you found it helpful, subscribe, comment down below if you're in a Margaritaville state of mind, and thanks for watching.